Hi everyone, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET Mixture of Concept and Past Year Questions. First, we know that on a simple cubic unit cell, atoms are present at the corners, and on a body center cubic unit cell, along with these, atom is present at the body center also, and for FCC it will be on your face side. Okay. Z is number of atoms per unit cell. 1, 2, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Not going to discuss about the concept, just a trick. For packing efficiency, see the trick. Consider 50%. Consider 50%. So 50% to 4. 52.4% for a simple cube. Okay. Exact value. For body center cubic unit cell, it will be 68%. 60 and 4 into 2, 8. 68. 68%. And for FCC see 70. 4 plus 2, 6. Add 6 to the 68. Then it will become 74%. You can normally remember it as a 50%, 60%, 70%. For exact value, this will be used. Okay. And relation between A and R. See, this is very important. Advanced questions we are going to solve. For simple cubic, edge length is equal to twice of radius. Okay. And BCC, A is equal to 4R by root 3. Okay. Edge length is 4 times radius by root 3. And FCC, or you may be called HCP also, hexagonal closely packing. A is equal to 4R by root 2. Okay. And this is very important. Density is equal to, suppose a crystal is given, it is in BCC or FCC, you have to find the density. For that density is equal to Zm by A cube into Avogadro number. Z is the 1, 2, 4 number of atoms per unit cell, and M is the molar mass, A is the edge length. Okay. From this I can say that density is directly proportional to density is directly proportional to Z by A cube. Okay. From this we are going to solve a question. Let's start. See, here is the first 2019 question, JEE. Here we are asked ratio of number of atoms present in a simple cubic BCC FCC. Number of atoms Z 1:2:4. I know this. Simple cube 1, BCC 2, FCC 4. See. Okay. So 1:2:4 is the desired answer. Second one is CSCl crystallizes in BCC if A is edge length, then which of the following expressions are correct? We are asked CSCl. See, here I am writing. Can you see? Okay. CSCl. Just wait a minute. Okay. CSCl BCC lattice. For BCC edge length is given, and we have to express the correct relation. A is equal to 4R by root 3. I know this. A is equal to 4R by root 3 BCC. Okay. And what is the correct option? Can I say from this radius of CS plus radius of CL minus 2R. Okay. 2R will be here given 3A. First option. I am telling you the first option. 2R is 3A. Is it possible? Substitute it here. 4 into R plus 3 by 2 a by root 3. Not possible. Second one, see. 2r is 3a by 2. 2r is 3a by 2. Just here 4 by root 3 into r value will be 3a by 4. Possible? Not possible. And next 2r is root 3 by 2a. Can I say from this r is equal to root 3 by 4a? Substitute this here. 4 into root 3 by 4 by root 3. Yes. It will become a. A is equal to a. Yes. So C is the correct answer. Okay. C. Third question. Edge length of a unit cell of metal A. Your edge length is A, metal having molecular weight M is given, and edge length is also given, which crystallizes in a cubic lattice. Here there is not any information about cubic lattice. Density is given. Find radius. Wait. We have to find the radius. Edge length A is 5 angstroms. And see the question. Just wait a second. We have to find the radius. Edge length is given. A is given 5 angstroms, and which crystallizes in cubic lattice. Density is given 2 g per cc. Find the radius. We have to find radius. Can you find any information here? Na is there. Can you get any here? Yes. See. 75. This is molecular weight. Molar mass is 75. There is a formula. Density is equal to Zm by A cube into Avogadro number. From this, I will get Z value. From the Z value, I will decide what is the lattice, and from that lattice, I will obtain the relation between A and R, and from that I will get my R. Okay. Solve this. Density is given. 2 is equal to Z we don't know into 75 by A cube. 75 into angstrom. Here angstrom is given. We want answer in picometers. So convert this into a centimeters. 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube, right? Whole cube into Avogadro number 6 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Solve all this. You will get Z value will be yes 2. You will get Z value as a 2. Okay. From this Z value, I can say that it is a BCC. Okay. BCC means A is equal to 4R by root 3, and A is given 5 angstroms. 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 is equal to 4 into R by root 3, and from this you will get 5 into root 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 4 is equal to R. Solve this calculation. It is not a big deal. Okay. And you will get the answer. Suppose I want to tell you that 1 picometer is very important. 1 picometer is 10 to the power minus 12 meters. Okay. Solve the question. Not question, calculation. Okay. Fourth question. Sodium crystallizes in BCC with the cell edge A is equal to 4.29 angstrom. What is the radius of sodium atom? So radius we have to find. BCC A is equal to 4R by root 3. See, this is 1994 IIT question, 2006 IIT question, JEE question, JEE question. Okay. A is equal to 4R by root 3. A value substitute this here. There is a chance of repeating the IIT questions in the JEE main. That's why I'm making video on this. And you will get R value 4.29 into root 3 upon 4. Calculation, not that much matter. Okay. It's your exam, you have to do. Next question is 1999 IIT question. Okay. A metal crystallizes in two cubic faces FCC and BCC. Edge length is given for one A1 is 3.5 angstroms and A2 is 3 angstroms. Calculate ratio of density of FCC and BCC. We have to find the density, right? Density means, I already told you, see, density is directly proportional to Z by A cube. Why I haven't take M? Because it is the same crystal. Okay. Density is directly proportional to Z by A cube. For FCC, Z will be 4, right? So first D1 will be 4 by A cube means 3.5 whole cube. And D2 is BCC. BCC is 2. 2 by 3 whole cube. D1 by D2, 2 into 3 by 3.5 whole cube. Again calculation, not a big deal. Okay. 2019 JEE question. Which primitive unit cell has unequal edge length and axial angles are different? For this crystal systems, I have made video that is a trick. Please watch that video. I will give the link in the description box. Here they asked the unsymmetrical system. Unsymmetrical system is triclinic, unequal edge length, and alpha is also not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, not equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Watch the video. I will give the link in the description box. 7th question. Chromium metal crystallizes with a body centered cubic lattice BCC. Length of unit edge is found to be 287 picometer. A is given, right? We had given A. A value given. A is 287 picometers. Calculate the atomic radius and what is the density. So what we need for a density is Z M by A cube into, okay, and we have to find NA. A is given, R is given, BCC means all questions are from BCC only. I don't know why. 4 by root 3 into R. So 287 is equal to 4 by root 3 into R. Get the R value. From this you will get the R value, no problem. And again they asked the second question, what would be the density of chromium? Chromium molecular mass 52, I know that. Okay, density we have to find. Z is BCC means 2, right? 2 into M will be 52. A value 287 picometers whole cube into Avogadro number. Okay, calculation. See, the topic is full calculations, right? See the next question. Metallic element crystallizes into a lattice containing sequence of AB, 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 AB. AB, 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 like this repeat pattern. It is hexagonal closely packing, comes under FCC, known as FCC. Okay. FCC, any packing of layers leaves out void. Here I will tell a small trick. See, we have to get the empty space in the atom. See, this is FCC, right? For FCC, I know the packing efficiency is 74%. Packing efficiency means that it is the space filled by the number particles. It is space filled by the particles. Suppose out of 100%, 74% is filled with particles. It means that remaining 26% is empty. Okay. So we had asked the empty space. It is 26%. Okay. Do it yourself questions, JEE questions, and this is 2007 IIT question. Okay. Same, these two questions are from the formula density is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. Okay. Calculate it. Okay, take a screenshot. This is matching. Take a screenshot. Okay, thank you for watching this video.